Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial on automation testing using Selenium WebDriver with Java. So today you will be getting a quick overview on the Selenium course. Selenium WebDriver is one of the components of Selenium, which is an open source web-based automation testing framework which can test web applications on different browsers across different operating systems. Test scripts can be written across different programming languages such as Java, Python, JavaScript, Perl, C#, PHP and Ruby. In order to work on any Selenium project successfully, we need to go step by step. This course is divided into 10 modules. The first module is a tutorial series covering all the basic Java concepts like operators, loops, arrays, functions, object-oriented programming, collection, reflection API, and file handling. In the second module, you will learn about Maven, which is a build automation tool. The third module will give you an introduction to the testing framework such as TestNG and JUnit. In module 4, you will learn about Selenium WebDriver concepts. Some of them include the architecture, identifying and managing the web elements, working on JavaScript executor, action classes, uploading and downloading files. In module 5, we will discuss about Docker as a containerization platform. The sixth module will give you an introduction to the other component of Selenium, that is Selenium Grid. In module 7, we will discuss about Jenkins and Git integration. The 8th module will cover different types of frameworks such as page object model, hybrid, data driven and Cucumber. In the 9th module, we will cover Selenium IDE, which is a record and playback component of Selenium. We will be wrapping up the session by discussing interview questions and answers. Thank you.